You own or run your own professional services business. Yes, and it's a dream come true for you. The money, the freedom to do what you want, when you want. As your professional service business grows, so do the demands that are placed on you by your clients. It can be both exhilarating and at times exhausting to have a successful business. What if there is a way for your clients to securely view and authorize the proposals and contracts that you create within your own office on the internet? What if you had a secure online office where your clients could then work with you on their projects, agree to add-on and change orders, sign off on deliverables, and pay you for your services using your own credit card merchant account? Now you can do all this and more with Office on the Internet. Experience unprecedented productivity, peak efficiency, and maximum profitability. Office on the Internet software is a SaaS, or Software as a Service application that is always on 24/7, 365, so that all stakeholders can contribute towards project management wherever they might be located in the U.S. or the world. The old school way of communicating about projects involves little pieces of information floating around in the way of emails, sitting in people's inbox folders, voicemails, and paper notes, like little pieces of a jigsaw puzzle, all fragmented everywhere. When your client needs to have an update on their project, often you must scramble to assemble the jigsaw pieces in order to provide your client a project report. Enter Office on the Internet, where you can maintain a clear picture of all information for all the stakeholders, including clients, employees, subcontractors, and vendors, on how the project is shaping up, where the project is headed, what has been done, what remains to be done, and if the ball is in their court. Office on the Internet keeps the momentum of each and every project flowing with great efficiency. Communication was never so easy before. Communicate with multiple stakeholders and multiple projects in 1/10 of the time. Sign off your computer at the end of the day with a pleasant smile on your face for a job well done. For Office on the Internet is dissolving away all your headaches and tensions and anxieties. Another problem that we as business owners and service providers are too aware of is that of project scope creep. Clients being clients, often they change their minds about what they want you to accomplish and want to pile on more tasks. Without a great system in place, add-ons and change orders can turn into lost revenues, cost overruns, and frustrated clients and staff. With Office on the Internet, every add-on request is an opportunity to make more money and increase profits. Office on the Internet lets you not only formalize the requirements gathering process, it also lets you professionally handle this very delicate situation. You simply add the client's new demands, click a button, and presto! The client sees an email notice that they need to log onto Office on the Internet to authorize the requested add-ons or changes and pay a deposit for the additional work. With every requirement being well documented, your task of client negotiation becomes a celebration of more revenues. What's more, Office on the Internet has a credit card gateway integrated into the system, so receiving payment from clients is an immediate and pleasant experience. Yet another challenge with managing projects is lack of control over project progress. If the project is big and complex with many employees, managers, or contractors assigned, it becomes increasingly more difficult to track. Office on the Internet gives your team the pleasure of enjoying unprecedented productivity by neatly segmenting all tasks for every stakeholder contributing to the project. Right from assigning tasks and milestones for every user, employee, contractor, or subcontractor, the software allows you to keep track of every task that they are undergoing and also keep an eye on tasks that are under risk of slippage. You can very easily manage 400 to 500% more projects in now 1/10 of the original time, thanks to Office on the Internet. Now imagine what those extra revenues will do to your balance sheet and your bank account. If you are managing to keep track of communications, project creeps, and task deadlines, it could be the accounting that might drown you in sorrow. There are quite a few business ruins out there whose only failure was failure to manage account payables and receivables. Office on the Internet lets your employees, contractors, and subcontractors log in their hours worked. Keeping track of their billable hours helps to make faster payments to them, thus keeping the workforce motivated and happy. On the other hand, you can set up the system to raise invoices at the right points of time, so that your cash flow is always healthy and vibrant. Client payments come in at the right time. Office on the Internet keeps everybody happy. So, as you can see for yourself, Office on the Internet is a great software which energizes your bank account and jazzes up your business profitability. Office on the Internet helps you manage your projects very productively, efficiently, and to the satisfaction of all concerned, your clients, your employees, as well as you yourself. Perhaps you are thinking, professional services software is costly and out of reach of most small business owners, right? Office on the Internet must be thousands of dollars a month. Not so. Office on the Internet costs only dollars a day. It's designed by successful business owners to help other small businesses. Most of our clients make back the cost of the monthly fee within the first few hours of using the software each month. Not bad for a software that can help you to double and triple your revenues often in the first month of use. So what are you waiting for? Set yourself miles ahead of your competitors with a single purchase. You'll be up and going with Office on the Internet right away, cutting your costs, increasing your profits, and speeding proposals and deliverables to your clients in no time. And in no time, you'll be enjoying life again and saying that being in business has never felt this good before. Still have questions? Please contact us at 888-317-9300. We look forward to your call. Otherwise, you will now be delivered to the purchase page so you can get started with your own Office on the Internet.